Before we look at how it works, let's define what PAS actually is. PAS stands for Project Asset Structure System. It is the project management layer of AMOS, where projects are treated as assets, not just tasks or to-do lists. In PAS, every project is structured, measurable, and governed like a business asset. Before execution begins. To make this concrete, let's see how PAS is applied in practice. We'll use a clear example: a marketing agency with a niche in business consultancy firms. In consultancy-focused agency work, projects rarely arrive as single deliverables. They arrive as layered initiatives: strategy, systems, content, and execution happening in parallel. Without structure, this kind of work becomes open-ended very quickly. Let's ground this with a clear example. Imagine a marketing agency that works exclusively with business consultancy firms. In PAS, work begins by selecting the right project module, the puzzle frame. These are standardized asset types the agency delivers repeatedly. Each PR code represents a specific asset category. These frames don't describe tasks, they define what kind of asset is being built. Once the module is chosen, for example, PRWS, the frame is set. Only the tiles that belong to this asset are allowed inside. Each task is a tile: framework setup, homepage design, page configuration, SEO optimization, analytics integration. Each tile has a clear owner, scope, and complexity. Tasks don't define the project. The project defines the tasks. Time is governed at the tile level. AIH supports the work. CH defines client scope. PH, buffer hours, protect quality. The frame doesn't stretch, the tiles don't multiply. You are not expected to calculate or negotiate this structure. PAS exists so expectations are clear, and teams don't have to compensate silently. PAS is the modular foundation beneath project management in AMOS. It prepares every project for SOPs, benchmarks, and ethical governance before work begins. In PAS, projects don't grow endlessly. They are assembled piece by piece until complete. When PRWS is complete, the agency doesn't just say, "The website is done." They now own a website asset. That asset comes with its own SOP, defining how it is built, maintained, updated, and governed. This means work is clearly defined before execution, delivery is consistent, and future changes don't require rediscovery. That's what PAS makes possible. Projects become assets, assets come with structure, and structure makes work sustainable long after delivery.